push it, give it all you got. Go!
Get ready to sprint.
Go, Christian! Come on, Christian! Come on, push! Push, push, push! Keep going, good job!
Striding up the hill, skier number 236, Christian Bork Hood from Natford County High School. High Plains,
Come on, Christian! Come on, push forward, push forward! Come on, that's my boy, let's go! Come on! You got this, Christian! Come on! Push, Christian, push! Don't let him pass you! Come on! Come on, Christian! Push hard! Come on! Push, Christian, push! Come on, you're almost there.
Nice job.
Come on, good job. Let's go, let's go.
There's a couple stretching it out there. One of those is Intermountain. That's Intermountain.
Come on, Christian.